Yo, what is up everybody, and welcome along to another brand new video. That intro was amazing. We're back at it again with another 10-minute drop challenge in the style of melodic dubstep. It's gonna be a good time. I may have already slightly cheated. I've come up with my own chord progression, because basically if I didn't do that, I'd spend the whole 10 minutes making the chord progression and then like have negative minutes left for the drums, creating the synths, the basses, everything else basically. So yeah, I've kind of had to bend the rules here a little bit. But I mean, we've got a chord progression already established, so the rest of the time we can just spend like building it up. Yeah, 10 minutes is gonna be tough. Anyway, let's start this challenge in 3, 2, 1, start. Yeah, okay, so this is the chord progression so far. E minor, still not 100% on that last chord. I did have an idea as I sat down. I was like, okay, I need to record now. And what's my brilliant idea? It's this. Oh no, it's this. See, this is why I didn't create the chord progression in this 10 minutes. What about that and that? Just like a little bit of spice variation. Fuck it, yeah, let's start. Anyway, okay, let's do this bass ting. Serum, obviously. Actually, I could have done analog. Analog might sound a bit better. Why can't I hear anything? What the fuck? No! Oh, auto, that's the right one. Oh, sweet, wasted so much time already. No. Oh, I need to sneeze. That's a great start. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so copy the bottom-ish note. Yep, that works. There. I feel like that's such a cliche kind of chord progression, but we're gonna stick with it. It actually sounds pretty cool. And classic overdrive. Yeah. Oh, I don't have time to do that. Should have done an analog. I was gonna say, as I create this new super saw hypersaw layer, I recently found the stems for Pendulum Set Me on Fire. I listened to the sub bass track and it's got like a little pitch envelope right at the start. So it's not just a solid note, it's like a pitchy note, if that makes sense. So I wanted to do that, but it takes a little bit to set that up in Serum. Analog, it's just like a few clicks. Superstore time, here we go. Yeah, 16 voices might have been a little bit too much. That's also a bit too much. OTT. That room for the bass. Just no. Chorus. Subtle reverb. As I'm shouting, that super saw is very loud. Alright, more layers. Duplicate that, 6 minutes, sweet! We are all good, hopefully. Ah! Delete some notes. That works. Fuck it, that's good enough. Alright, we need one more layer. One more layer. I don't know what. Yeah, that's the layer. Like, distorted to the days. That's gonna need some Hundies EQ. Alright, 5 minutes. Probably should start on the drums and the other bassy tones. Let's actually hear it in context then. That is beautiful. Alright, now I'm about to do my secret weapon, which hopefully you guys didn't see coming. Oh my, this isn't the secret weapon, by the way. Beautiful. Alright, so this is my secret weapon. Contact, right? It's not Serum. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. Swing more. See, I use it all the time, but hopefully this is it. Yeah, it's this. Slurred strings. These are gangster. If I can play it. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Why isn't it letting me? Yeah, it's got the pitchiness. Oh my god, look at the time. Holy shit. Stop fucking around. Take some notes. And just maybe the top ones? Top ones. It's good if they overlap each other, because then it'll activate the... yeah, you kind of get what I mean, hopefully. Up an octave. Why isn't it slurring? Oh, it's because there's... that's annoying. Although it gave me an idea. It given me an idea. Great English. Yep. Yeah, 2 minutes. Oh dear. Sidechain and drums. Sidechain and drums. Sidechain and drums. Sidechain and drums. Ding, fries are done. Ding, fries are done. Beautiful, that'll do. Oh my god, I haven't... Oh, it's too much to do. Why did I do this? Beautiful, there we go. And that's why I left that gap, so the kick comes in there. Nope. Nope. Oh, I love those strings! Alright, we need some serious sidechain going on here. 1 minute. I was gonna add complexity, but I don't think I'm gonna have the fucking time to do that now. This is 100% the most stressed I've ever been in one of these videos. Usually a little bit stressed, because it's 10 minutes against the clock. But, oh, what the fuck is happening? One eight, drum loops. Alright, copy the sidechain onto the piano, and then copy that sidechain to the strings. We need stupidly fast hi-hats, 33 seconds, I think we can accomplish that. Or just normal hi-hats, doesn't have to be stupidly fast ones. That just 10 seconds. Oh, those strings are so good. A little bit of delay, 2 seconds to chill. What the fuck? Technically it's still melodic dubstep, even though I kind of wanted to go along the lines of like a virtual riot melodic dubstep. So like intense super saw chords, complexionary bass bits chucked in between here and there. We out here, we ran out of time, and yeah. Anyway, with the magic of editing, I'm gonna spend 5 more minutes on this, and then I'll see you in a few seconds, and then we can listen to the track together. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Yeah. Alright, what did I do to the track? So the big difference is I doubled it up, so it's no longer 4 bars, it's 8 bars. Put a little bit of reverb on the violin. Changed up the drum pan just a little bit. Added these kind of like offbeat. Added these reversey snares building up to the main snare. So it'd be a little bit more extra power. Added an EQ to the snare. Oh yeah, on the stringy bits, which is how you heard it before, but on the second time round, it goes down. Yeah, here's a reverb, a little bit of delay. I think that's literally it. All right, Ozone, is that looking tasty? Anyway, it is time for the final listen, otherwise I could be here all day. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. People do the air guitar, I'll do the air violin. Oh, I don't know if that's gonna make the edit now. Air violin, mad tune. So yeah, leave a like if you did enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next episode or whatever we're doing on this channel. Have a great day and see ya.